Hello everyone, today we will learn decimal number. Decimal number has a decimal point. If we have 9.876543, we have 8 in tenths places, 7 in hundredths places, 6 in thousandths places, 5 in 10,000ths places, 4 in 100,000ths places, 3 in millionths places. When we have 9.8, we read it 9 and 8 tenths. If we have here 1, it's 9 and 81 hundredths. If we have 2, 9 and 812 thousandths, and so on. Here's some examples to solve. Write each of the following as a decimal. 6 and 4 hundredths. We have 6 and 4 hundredths. 0.04. 306 and 15 hundredths. 0.15. Write each of the following as a decimal. 7 and 7 over 10. If we have 7 over 10, it will be 0.7. If we have 7 over 100, it will be 0.07. If we have 7 over 1000, it will be 0.007. So 7 and 7 over 10 is 7.7. 9 and 7 over 1000. It is 9.007. Change each of the following to a mixed numeral or fraction. 1.43. If we have 0.1, it is 1 over 10. If we have 0.11, it is 11 over 100. If we have 0.234, it will be 234 over 1000. So 1.43 is 1 and 43 over 100. 7.006 is 7 and 6 over 1000. Place more than or less than to compare each pair of decimals. 7.32 and 7.6. We have 7 and 7 from left to right. Look at each digit and compare it. 7 and 7. It is the same. So next digit is 3. 0.3 and 0.6. 0.3 is less than 0.6. So 7.32 is less than 7.6. 0.99 and 0.987. From left to right, 9 and 9, the same. 9 and 8. 8 is less than 9. So 0.99 is more than 0.987. Here is addition of decimal numbers. 3.16 plus 12.4 plus 3.26. If we add 0 here, to be easily to add the three numbers, 6 and 0 and 6 is 12, 1 and 1 and 4, and 2 is 8. Decimal point will be the same place. 3 is 8, 1 is 18.82. We have 3.92 plus 4.60 plus 0.32. 32 plus 0 plus 2 is 4. 9 plus 6 plus 3 is 18. 1 plus 3 plus 4 is 8. And decimal point is the same place. It is 8.84. Subtraction of decimal numbers. 17.2 minus 3.36. We can add here 0 to be easily subtract these numbers. 3, 0 and 6. So 6 can subtract it from 0. So we can borrow 1. This is 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 1 minus 3, we can't. Borrow 1. And this is 6. And this is 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. Decimal point will be the same place. 6 minus 3 is 3. 1 minus 0 is 1. It is 13.84. 15.1 minus 7.62. Can add 0 here to be easily to subtract those numbers. 0 and 2, we can't. Borrow 1. It will be 0 here, and this will be 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 5, we can't. 0 minus 6 is we can't. 5, borrow 1 from 5, it will be 4. And this is 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. Point will be the same. 4 minus 7, we can't. Borrow 1. 14 minus 7 is 7. 7.48. 2.46 times 3. We can ignore the decimal point first. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 4 is 12 and 1 is 13. 3 times 2 is 6 and 1 is 7. We have two decimal point after two digital places, so it will be 7.38. 2.3 times 16. 3 times 6, 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 2 is 12 and 1 is 13. 1 times 3 is 3, but we have 0 here. 3. 1 times 2 is 2. Add both number together. 0 and 8 is 8. 3 and 3 is 6. 1 and 2 is 3. We have decimal point after one place, so it is 36.8. Here is division of decimal numbers. 1.32 divided by 3. 3 divided by 13 divided by 3 is 4, and 12 here. We have 1 and 2. 12 divided by 3 is 4. We have 12 here. 0, 0, so no remainder. Decimal point after two digital places, so it is 0.44. Here is 14 divided by 8 is 1, and 8 here. 14 minus 8 is 6, and 4 here. 64 divided by 8 is 8, and 8 times 8 is 64. 0, 0, no remainder, so decimal point after one digital place, it will be 1.8. Change each of the following fractions to decimals. 1 over 2 is 0.5. We must know this values, equivalent decimal value. 5 over 8 is 0.625. How to know this? From this table. Half is 0.5. 1 over 3 is 0.3. 2 over 3 is 0.6. 1 over 4 is 0.25. 3 over 4 is 0.75. 1 over 5 is 0.2. 2 over 5 is 0.4. 1 over 6 is 0.16. 1 over 8 is 0.125. 3 over 8 is 0.375. 1 over 9 is 0.1. 2 over 9 is 0.2. 1 over 10 is 0.1. 2 over 10 is 0.2. 1 over 12 is 0.83. 1 over 16 is 0.625. Note, for the power notation, like in 0.1 here, and 0.6 here, and 0.3 here, indicate repeated digits. For example, 0.3 is 0.3333333, and so on. And here is the end of this lesson. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.